Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a video on the benefits of using virgin coconut oil for skin, hair and health. We all know that coconut is traditionally known for its amazing benefits and it has nutrients which are very helpful for skin, hair and cooking as well. Currently I'm using this Disano cold pressed virgin coconut oil. It is a 100% natural cold pressed unrefined virgin coconut oil. It does not contain any preservatives and mineral oil and it is also non-GMO. So it is really a 100% pure product. This coconut oil is also best for cooking. As coconut oil has very high smoke point, you can also use it for frying. Even you can add it on salads. I have bought this product from Amazon and it cost me 290 rupees for 500 ml product. I have also given the buying link of this product in the description box. You guys can check that. Before going to know the benefits of using coconut oil, let me share few things about this product. There is no heat or chemical process involved in extraction of oil. So because of that, it ensures all vital nutrients, natural rich aroma and taste of oil remains intact. This product has 63% MCFA, so it helps to manage weight and it also has various health benefits. It is a 100% pure vegan and preservative free product, which is really ideal for cooking. The reason why I chose this coconut oil is it is extracted from coconut milk and they have only used the white part of coconut. You can also find the nutritional information in the bottle. Here you can see the ingredient is raw unrefined cold pressed virgin coconut oil. Now let's move on to the benefits of virgin coconut oil. This virgin coconut oil strengthens hair and also promotes hair growth. Pour some amount of oil. You can also heat this coconut oil using a double boiler method. After that, apply it onto your hair and scalp. Massage it for 5 minutes. It will help to promote blood circulation and then leave it overnight. The next morning, wash it with your regular shampoo. This coconut oil will give you a super healthy and shiny hair. This coconut oil is non-sticky compared to other coconut oils. I really like this thing. And the next amazing benefit of this virgin coconut oil is it nourishes your hair. If your hair is damaged due to styling, then it will help to repair that. Make sure to apply this product once or twice a week. The next amazing benefit of this virgin coconut oil is for skin. Coconut oil is really very helpful for anti-aging. If you are seeing signs of aging or if you want to maintain a youthful look, then try to massage this coconut oil on your skin. You can also apply this oil under your eyes. It will help to eliminate fine lines and wrinkles. Just take a little amount of this coconut oil and massage it for a few minutes. Even coconut oil helps to treat dryness. After massaging, you can also leave it overnight. You can also use this coconut oil as a baby massage oil. It is really very smooth and delicate on baby skin. It is completely natural and has no added chemicals. If you want a natural moisturizer, then you can switch to this coconut oil. Virgin coconut oil stimulates metabolism and also helps to control weight. For that, you need to just use this coconut oil for cooking, or else you can also directly consume 2 tablespoons of this coconut oil, which is very good for health. So guys, these are some of the major benefits of using virgin coconut oil. Hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.